Good morning. Hi, everyone. My name is Asia Faith Green, and I'm going to be taking you guys through my group's presentation on biogeoclimatic zones of Hawaii. So, we want you guys to interact with us through this PowerPoint. And in order to do so, we created these links on these little post it notes that you can click that can take you to different pages that will describe and answer these questions. So, what are biogeoclimatic zones? They are geographical areas in which the climate, vegetation, and animal life are generally uniform. How many biogeoclimatic zones are found in Hawaii? There are 8 biogeoclimatic zones found in Hawaii. Can you name the diverse biogeoclimatic zones found in Hawaii? Here they are: the coastal strand, leeward savanna, dryland forests, mesic forests, rainforest, subalpine forest, alpine scrub, and alpine stone desert. Do you know the characteristics of each biogeoclimatic zone? So here we have all these biogeoclimatic zones, and when you click the name, it'll give you a short description about this zone, and if you click the title, it'll take you right back. So for the coastal strand, there are habitats found near saltwater bodies along the coast, and they're typically very windy with coarse soils that are high in salinity. For leeward savanna, they are made up of tropical and subtropical savannas and grasslands, and they're found on all 7 main islands, as well as most of the smaller ones. For dryland forest, they receive less than 50 inches of rain per year, and existing habitats are found mostly on the island of Hawaii on the leeward side, and they are usually located between coast and mid-elevations. Oh, here, let me go back real quick. And then next, so we have our mesic forests. So for mesic forests, they receive between 50 and 75 inches of rainfall per year and are found below 1,000 meters in elevation. This ecosystem is found on the islands of Hawaii, Maui, Molokai, Lanai, Oahu, and Kauai. For the rainforests, they're typically located at about the inversion layer, and this biogeoclimatic zone has frequent rainfall that makes it unsuitable for residential or agricultural use. For the subalpine zone, this is just above the inversion layer on the windward side and just below it on the leeward side. The zone has more temperate temperatures and moderate rainfall. For alpine scrub, this is located in much higher elevations where the growth of plants are limited and the climate is much colder. A scrub is defined to be an environment nearing the limit of tree growth where trees can no longer grow. And lastly, for alpine stone desert, they are located in very high elevations where the climate is very cold and there's limited plant growth. It is very rocky and barren, limiting the biodiversity of the environment. So where are these geoclimactic zones located among the Hawaiian Islands? So we created this little map that we were hoping that our audience can interact with and guess what kind of biogeoclimactic zones are located in these areas. So if you were to click Kuia on Northeast Ko'oke'e, it will bring you to the mesic forest description, and you can proceed in these slides and we'll describe some animals and some plants. And then if you click on what will I find here, it'll bring you back to this post-it note. And then if you click plants, it'll bring you back to the map. And you can go through with all of these different locations. And when you're finished, we wanted to wrap up here but just say mahalo. So that concludes our interactive PowerPoint slide, and we hope you enjoy it. Mahalo nui for your time.